Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to lay out pictures in Microsoft Word. Want to arrange pictures perfectly in Microsoft Word? I'll show you the best ways to position, align and wrap text around images. Let's follow these few simple steps. We're gonna start by the first step, which is to insert and select the picture. And before you do that, make sure you create a new blank document and then go to insert section, click on it, and then search for pictures here and click on it. Then from this drop down menu, click on which method you want to insert the picture from. I'm gonna use this device, but you can also use stock images or online pictures. Now I'm gonna use this device and I'm gonna select this picture right here. Now the second thing is to use the text wrapping for a better layout. And to do that, click on the image and then go to the picture format section, and from here go to wrap text here and choose whether you want it in line with text, which is the default option, or you want it square, which in its case the text wraps around the picture, or behind text when the image acts like a background, or in front of the text, which makes the image seem floating in the document. Now as for the third step is to align and arrange images. And to do that, just select the image and then go to picture format and then go to align or position. You can align in center right here. You can distribute horizontally by clicking on these ones, or you can snap to grid. Now for additional tips, use the position tool for preset alignments and group multiple images together for consistent layouts. And that's it. That's how you lay out pictures in Word. Use text wrapping, alignment tools and grids for perfect document design. If you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.